Come that side.
Ooh. This isn't red, Auntie Jenny, is it?
Be sure I want only red. Yeah, this is not yet red, Vishan.
It looks like.
It looks red, but there's an orange in it.
Ah! This one has orange, Auntie Jenny. It's not fully red.
Hmm? No, it's okay. Just put.
Ooh.
Because I will put in the fridge. Then if it is go in the fridge, then it will